And who do we have here?
Hi.
It's the birthday girl. Say happy birthday, Mal. Say happy birthday, mummy. Brock, say happy birthday, mummy. Where are we going today, baby?
Blizzard Beach, hopefully.
To a water park. It feels quite nice, doesn't it?
It's really nice.
And then we've got reservation at 3:30 for Planet Hollywood.
Yeah.
And have some nice food.
Yeah.
You ready, buddy? Brock, are you ready? Ready. Let's go get the bus. Where are we, mummy?
We are at Blizzard Beach.
So we had to catch a bus from our hotel to Animal Kingdom.
Yeah,
and then a bus from there to here. It's actually
But it's close. They're very close.
I would say in 15 minutes we've done both.
Yeah.
So it's a little huts here, Blizzard Beach. We've been here for years because obviously we did Typhoon Lagoon last time. Oh, look who it is. Hey Brock, where are we? We're at Blizzard Beach. Look at the sign. It says Blizzard Beach Water Park. That's so cool, isn't it? Right, should we go in? It's open to 5 o'clock today. Do our bands? Thank you. You did it! Oh, look at this. It looks like we're in Arundel, but we're not. Oh, what's this over here? Look at that. Sunny Sledge. I understand. Come on then. Snowman, he's melting for you. That's what snow does in summer. You have a look. It looks very quiet. It's like it's just I've hired it out for your birthday.
Oh yeah.
I haven't, but it looks like. On a GoPro. Just put our stuff in the locker, so we've got a standard size backpack, 2 lots of flip-flops, and our stuff all fitted in a standard size one, which was $10. $10 for a standard one.
Right.
So where are we going to go? Let's have a look at the directory. I don't know what's going to sky lift up until the big droppy one. So we are here. The kids' splash pad, I believe, is number 4. But Mouse is walking off, so I don't know. Peak. I think this is where little man can splash around. Oh, look at a little cabana there. That's cool. Little patio. When it's busy, you probably could do with one, but at the moment, there's about 5 people, 6 people in the pool. Oh, this bit's fun, buddy. Oh, go down the steps. You running around in the water? Look at the little crocodiles. Let's have a look. Yeah. Look at the little crocodiles. Quite warm as well, isn't it? What's she doing? What's this one doing? Is that a no?
Yeah.
Right. Up to the slide then. Let me film us on the way down.
He's already off. He's in the water.
That's not a swimming pool.
This is what we saw on the bridge.
Look at you and your little life vest. This is so cute. You get your own little rubber ring.
Oh, that's a good fish.
That's not that. There you go. You sit on that. you go. Hold on. Hold on to the handles.
And then we're just going to float.
Can I sit on Daddy's lap? That's not that cool, baby.
Your leg around me. You float, you got a full hip of the aid on.
Are you? Are you in a tunnel?
I'm in the tunnel.
Daddy's spinning.
They're spinning.
So Daddy's spinning. Oh no, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that was cold. Make sure I don't go in the next one. Come in. I'm gonna hit you.
He's coming.
I'm gonna crash.
Crash.
Oh.
Get away. Sam, get away.
Ah, I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you. Ah. Oh, no, splash, Mummy.
I don't want it on my face.
Hi, say hi, Mummy. Look where we are. You're on top of Daddy.
Whee! Hi. You look very stiff, buddy. You can relax a little bit. Relax. You bobbing along.
Should we call you Bob? Say hi, Bob. Say hi, Bob. Hi, Bob. You spin? He's spinning. Hands up. Hands up.
He's spinning. He's spinning.
Dance. Pass to Daddy.
He's like, I don't want to let go.
Go on, hello.
Oh, don't tip him up. Don't tip him up.
Helicopter.
You're in a swimming pool.
You're
You're
I'm going to smash
okay.
your face anyway. I'll smash your back.
See your face. It's a leaf.
Leave it out.
It's a leaf.
It's a leaf. Give me a cuddle. Oh. Something splashed you. Something splashed you. No, it wasn't Daddy. Daddy's hands are here.
It's a fly. Oh, it's a little baby dragonfly.
He's spinning. What are you eating?
A tuna sandwich
Where are we still?
with some chips.
Yeah. We're in Blizzard Beach and we're at the warming hut. And I got some tater tots with bacon. It's supposed to come with chili and other stuff, but just got it with bacon and the cheese. So let's eat some food. Where are we, baby?
Hollywood.
Look at this, we're on the 3rd floor. The 4th floor as well.
Yeah.
Brock's got some colour in. Say hi, buddy.
You want to try it?
Oh, okay. And what is Mr. Brockford eating? Are you eating all the M&Ms off Daddy's chocolate brownie cupcake drink malarkey?
After a lot of screaming, we managed to. He only wanted them when she put them on the plate.
I used my steak knife to cut them all off my cup to put them on his plate. We've ordered him dinner, but is he going to eat it?
No. No.
No. But we've ordered steak.
We've ordered steak. So
And we're watching Old Sweet Caroline. Sweet What have you got there, mummy?
steak.
Oh, that's nice. You went for medium, didn't you?
Yes.
I've got a steak too, and I went for medium rare. So, Brock's got some chicken, and a fork, and an attitude, but it's all good. How was your dinner, birthday girl?
No, it was nice. The steak was really nice. It came with really chunky, more like wedges.
Hey, we call them wedges,
I call
yeah.
them a wedge. So I'd ask for fries if I came next time, but the steak was lovely.
Someone's now having another dessert.
He's living his best life.
You do realise, mate, in 2 days' time, you're back to pasta.
We're back to normal food.
Yeah. No spicy, no chocolate milk. Well, you have chocolate milk still, maybe, but.
And you can actually have some fruit and some veg.
And some bananas and stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was nice. Nice in here, though, isn't it?
Yeah. Lots to look at.
It's not too loud either. Someone said it's really loud in here, but I don't think it's too loud.
Well, it's a busy restaurant, so it's loud for that.
The music's good, though.
Oh, yeah, it's nice. I mean, this is loud, so.
Oh, he's stupidly loud.
Yeah, so. It's not a quiet, calm restaurant because his screaming was just
Toned down.
background noise. So.
Is that nice? No? No answer? He's eating. Okay, bye-bye. Where are we?
We're on a boat heading to the French Quarter.
Yeah.
We're getting to get beignets.
Beignets.
But we're getting the boat from Disney Sprigs,
Yeah.
so that's nice.
It's the first, so catching a boat, that'd be nice. I'd like to see Disney Springs from a different angle and everything. This one's ready.
Ready?
He fell over and bumped his head.
We've got a little bit of a... Well, I'm not going to see it. No, he looks good. Those marks are just chocolate. So.
Yeah, it's chocolate from our dinner, so let's see what it's like when we go over to the French Quarter via the boot.
Boat?
And we're off. That's the paddlefish. The volcano behind us. 10 points for this,
Welcome aboard Sassagoula River Cruise, folks. With service from the marketplace at Disney Springs out to French Quarter and Riverside and Port Orleans. Sit back, relax, enjoy the sights and sounds. Thank you for sailing with us today, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed your time here at Disney Springs.
Oh, where are we coming back? Where are we?
We're at the French Quarter.
Oh, look at the pool.
Looks cool.
That's cool. That boat ride was really good, wasn't it?
Really good. Highly recommend it. Just to have a nice boat ride.
Yeah, it's a jaunt up to here. Don't question you whether you're at the resort or not. It's just...
Oh, look at that splash pad.
wow.
Oh, look at that. That is cool.
Right, let's go and try and find some.
Beignets.
What do you have, Mrs. King?
Beignets.
Beignets.
Down the slide.
Brock's playing in the park. Well, we eat the beignets.
Yeah. He's not there. Oh yeah, shake that. Shake. Oh, they're warm.
Told you they were hot.
They're hot actually. Yeah, well, that's hot. Beignets. They're hot.
Oh, we'll eat them in a minute.
Oh,
What is that?
this is a beignet.
If you never have one, you need to have one.
They're good. They're very hot.
Right.
Good.
How are your beignets?
Oh, delicious. Lovely.
How was Brock in the park?
Slow down. He loved it. He was playing with some other kids and he was just running round and round and round. So yeah.
We're going to catch the boat back now and then go back to the hotel, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright,
Just watching him, he was about to run into a lamppost. Careful!
how was your birthday?
It was good. It's been a good birthday. It was very nice. Had a nice steak and some beignets and a nice boat ride.
And bought some earrings?
Oh, bought some earrings, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, well, we'll say goodbye from now.
So bye-bye.
Say bye, Brock wave. Hands in the air like you just don't care. Yay! Right, bye. It's my turn now to ride Tower of Terror. See how long the fast pass takes or what it takes. So, we are on our last ride of our trip.
Yeah. People mover.
We've got some stowaways here, but just come out of pirates and there's some fireworks. Somebody's taking my loot and celebrating.